Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today we are going to be opening our November Simply Earth monthly essential oil recipe box, and I am so excited to see what is inside. If you are new to my tutorials, please make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified the next time a video is released. Now, before we open up our November recipe box, I just want to remind you that 13% of the profits of all profits purchased through Simply Earth go to end human trafficking, and I love that they stand behind that. All right, let's grab our blade and we're going to cut open that little sticker and open up and see what's inside. Oh, I love new boxes. Now, as always, this is just a note for me being one of their ambassadors. Now, let's take a look and see what is inside the box. The oils, they're my favorite, of course. So we have cassia. Let's go ahead and give that a smell. It's kind of fruity, but also kind of woodsy. That's yummy. And winter spice. Let's give that a smell. That is definitely winter spice. Oh, I love that. I could put this in my diffuser just by itself. Ooh, and this is another blend. Candy cane. We get 2 blends this time. Oh, I love candy cane. That is so yummy. Oh, and I forgot to show you the label. There's candy cane and lime. Who would have thought that lime would be part of a winter box? Lime. I'm assuming it smells like lime. Gonna go out on a limb. It sure does. Smells just like lime. Awesome. Okay, so we've got our 4 oils: cassia, winter spice, candy cane, and lime. And now let's take a look at the extras. We've got these 2 fun little bottles. I can't think of what these are called, but great for salts, or we'll see what we put inside of them. We've got some cute little tags. Oh, those are so cute. Some lip containers. Ooh, so we're going to be making some type of lip balm. We've got dried lavender flowers. And let's take a look at our recipe cards. We've got Forever Thankful Roll-On. Candy lip balm. I bet we'll be making that with the candy cane. Oatmeal cookie sugar scrub. Yum. DIY air dry clay diffuser ornament. Oh, that's awesome. Perfect for the holidays and for Christmas. Winter Joy bath salts. What did I say? Perfect to hold bath salts. And gift diffuser blend. Yay! I'm so excited to start making these recipes. And of course, then we have our matching stickers so that everything can match. Our top stickers for our oils. Awesome, guys. All right. So what one should I make first? I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to be a part of the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box, then go to simplyearth.com, and when you type in the code TheCraftyFree, no spaces, then you will get a free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. The subscription box is $39, so that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $40 to buy other supplies from their store. Thanks, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting.